Hello, dear students. Welcome back to my science class. As we have already completed the chapter respiration and we have also done the question answers from NCERT book, today we are going to do some extra questions from the chapter respiration in organisms. You are watching the channel Learn Science with Munmun ma'am. So let's start. Question number 1. Whenever we feel drowsy or sleepy, we start yawning. Does yawning help us in any way? Answer is when we feel drowsy, sleepy, or tired, we yawn. That is, open our mouth wide to take a long and deep breath of air. Because our breathing rate slows down and body do not receive sufficient oxygen. Question number 2. When breath is released after holding it for few minutes, what happens? And give reasons for its occurrence. I hope all of you have experienced it, that when we hold our breath for some time and then we release. So the answer is releasing breath after holding it for some time results in rapid breathing. It occurs to maintain a healthy balance between intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide. Question number 3. Whales and dolphins are seen many times releasing a fountain of water, sometimes at the surface of water. Why do they do so? Answer is sea animals like dolphins and whales live in water, but unlike fishes, they do not possess gills for respiration. These possess nostrils, which are called blowholes. Their blowholes are located on the upper parts of their heads. These animals breathe in through their nostril and lungs. Dolphins and whales come out to the surface of seawater from time to time to breathe in air. When a whale breathes air out, its blowhole appears as a spray. So we sometimes see that fountains of water are releasing. Moving to the next question. After we work hard or perform physical activity, we feel hungry. Explain why. Answer is when we work hard or perform physical activity like running, swimming, cycling, we need more energy. To fulfill the energy requirement, we breathe faster. Fast breathing helps in supply of more oxygen to our cells. Due to this, rate of breakdown of food also increases and more energy is released. The rapid breakdown of food makes us feel more hungry. I hope all of you have understand. So let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Plants lack a specialized respiratory system. How do they carry out respiratory process? Explain. Answer is the plants do not possess any respiratory system. Still plants respire. The various parts of the plants like leaves, roots, etc. carry out respiration independently. The leaves of the plants possess tiny pores on their surface which is called stomata. The gaseous exchange during respiration takes place through their stomata. Next question. The plant roots, being underground, respire by using which mechanism? Answer is roots of the plants respire under the ground. Root cells get oxygen from the air present in the space between the soil particles. There are several root hairs present on the roots of a plant. The oxygen from the air between the soil particles diffuses into the root hair and reaches to the cells of the root. This oxygen is utilized for respiration. Paheli participated in a 400-meter race competition held at her school and won the race. When she came home, she had a mixed feelings of joy and pain as she had cramps in her leg muscles. After a massage, she was relieved of the pain. Answer the following questions related to the situation. Question number A. What can be the possible reasons for the pain in her legs? And question number B. Why did she feel comfortable after a massage? Paheli had cramps in her leg muscle after running. She felt pain in her legs because of accumulation of lactic acid in the leg muscles. Lactic acid is formed due to anaerobic respiration in the muscle cells after heavy exercise or running. After heavy exercise, we require a large amount of energy to produce more energy to meet the oxygen requirement of the muscles. So, muscle cells start performing anaerobic respiration for a short duration. The massage or hot water bath gives the relief from the muscle cramp or pain because it improves the circulation of the blood, leading to increased supply of oxygen to the muscle cells. So again, muscle cells starts aerobic respiration. Next question. A person put some warm water in an aquarium having fish during winter season. He thought that fish will be more comfortable in lukewarm water than cold water. But he observed that fishes in the aquarium died. Why the fishes died in warm water? Children, can you think? What is the matter that fishes, in spite of feeling comfortable in the lukewarm water, died of? Let's see the answer. I hope you have guessed it correctly. The fishes have special type of organs for respiration called gills. These gills absorb oxygen dissolved in water and through blood vessels. This oxygen is passed to all parts of the body. The amount of dissolved oxygen is comparatively less in water than amount of oxygen present in the air. Therefore, the rate of breathing is also high in aquatic animals. As we know that warm water contains less amount of oxygen, therefore fishes will have difficulty in breathing in the absence of sufficient oxygen and they will die. Isn't the question very interesting? Moving to the next and the last question. It is not wise to sleep under a tree during the night. Why? Answer is, during day, plants photosynthesize in the presence of sunlight and uses carbon dioxide produced during respiration. During this process, oxygen is released as a byproduct and a balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained in the atmosphere. But at night, plants do not perform photosynthesis. Plants are unable to use carbon dioxide and they take oxygen during respiration. So if one sleeps under a tree at night, he will have problems in breathing as the amount of carbon dioxide in the air around will certainly increase. Therefore, it is not advisable to sleep under trees during the night. Write down all these question answers in your copy. Thank you.